Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Katie Hughes and I am a celebrity makeup artist based in New York City. I am launching a brand in September. It's called KJH brand. I wanted to call it KJH brand because I wanted my initials in there. People nickname me KJH a lot of the time and I didn't want it to be Katie Jane Hughes because the brand isn't really for me, it's for you. But I wanted it to be identifiably connected to me in a way. And I wanted the word brand because I didn't want it to be beauty centric. I wanted it to just be a brand, like a cool brand that you can get excited about. So that was the ideology of the name and where the name came from. I want to show you quickly. I've got a simple makeup look on right now, nothing too, I'm not actually wearing my highlighter yet, but I want to show you with the pink shade, 3, maybe 4 ways to use it. So the intention of the intended way to use the Hyper Shine Highlight Kit is you take the creme, the highlight pigment, and you take the serum and you take a little drop and then you mix it with the brush and then you pop it on the face. Obviously this is my personal one, so I'm going straight into the jar. If you're a makeup artist, you should be squeezing it out, always scooping it out. And the product looks like that on the face. So I'm just gonna stipple it on. This is the classic way to use it. So this is the sort of intended way, the way that I've been using it myself the most. And the less serum that you use, the less shiny it will be, and the more pink. The more serum that you use, the opposite of that. So you'll sheer it down and you'll add more of a gloss. It isn't a dry down type of highlighter product because I personally find that dry down highlighter products are essentially just powder highlighters in a way. This has a finish on the face. I'm drinking a seltzer, so I'm a little burpy. This has a balmy finish, but it's not a sticky finish. I would wear it with my hair down. I would wear it with my hair up. So this and this are all eye safe for eyes, lips, and cheeks. And that is the way that it is intended to be used. So the concept of these two things separate, I essentially said to the lab, I want a highlighter that's a wet finish highlighter, but I want the wet taken out and I want it in here. And so the wet product that would typically be in a cream highlighter is in this bottle. So you get the opportunity to control how much of that wet that you want, or how much of that balminess that you want, how much of that dewiness that you want with the pigmented cream. That is really beautiful and intense. So one way to wear it is on your cheeks, just like I did. Another way to wear it is to mix it with your lipstick. So I'm gonna take a little here, just a tiny, tiny, tiny bit. And then I'm going to take a lipstick that's actually in development, also for KJH brand. This beautiful plum color. I'm just going to scoop a little off with my nail, aka personal spatula. And then I'm going to mix the two together. So there's the highlighter and there's the lipstick. And the more of the highlighter that I use, the more pearly the lipstick will go. So I just took a little more. And I'm going to take a little more again. So now I've got like this concoction of berry toned highlight tone. And I'm going to pop it on the lip for a metallic finish. Let me mute my audio there. So that's one way to use it for like a really cool, beautiful, almost like Young and the Restless, kind of like Joan Crawford, kind of Elizabeth Taylor, vintage, gorgeous, glamorous lip from the 80s. But like elegant. We're going 80s, but we're going elegant. And so that's it mixed on the cheeks. So I kind of just did 2 in 1. So that was, 1 was how I used it first. 2 was the lip application with the blush, with the color, the lipstick color. And then now I'm putting it on my cheeks as well. And obviously I'm going quite hard, but I'm going to pull this back a little bit with my foundation brush. It's done running lightning outside, it's quite nice. And then the other way to use it is just like a straight up eyeshadow. It isn't an eyeshadow, it's a highlighter. However, it's a multiple use product. And so I'm gonna go to an area where I've not necessarily got any shine serum in the jar with just like a KJH Spectrum 13. And I'm just gonna start stippling this onto the lid, sweeping it across, and just giving my eyelids a glow. And then the same up here under the brow bone if you feel like a little highlight under there. And so that is 3 ways to wear. Another way that I really love to wear this product is on the body. And actually I used it on somebody this week. Let me just get my lotion. Excuse me. Where's my lotion? Okay, so we have Nivea Essentially Enriched right here. I'm just gonna wipe this off for a sec. I'm just gonna take a little of the Hyper Shine highlight pigment. And yes, you could totally use this, but this isn't gonna go as far if you start using it on your body. I would use a body cream much quicker than I would use the serum itself. You wanna rigorously bring your hands together and you'll get like a gorgeous, slightly pearly pink sheen in whatever lotion that you have on. So there's many, many ways to wear it and many, many ways to use this product. I know that I'm gonna find more ways to wear this when it's out through the community, and I cannot wait for that day to sort of see how the community is using it as well, and sort of what tricks you all come up with. But look, this is already a shiny lotion, so I'm not gonna give that entirely the credit, even though I'd love to. This is a very shiny lotion, but this is giving it a lot more of something. And it looks like it's a whitey lotion, but it's not. It's just the way that it looks when it's not got like a white cast or anything. It's just a glowy cream. I use this on everybody, literally. It's like the most gorgeous, gorgeous lotion, the Nivea Essentially Enriched, but with the Hyper Shine highlight pigment, it's even more glowy. Is there any other ways to wear it? Yeah, there's a lot, but we'll discover them together. Okay, that's the end of this video. Pop any questions below. I'm so excited for this to launch, and yeah, thanks.